Hello lovelies, it's Ethany and I have a new unboxing video for you today. It is the Universal Prophecy cards by Julie Mackenzie, and it is a 55 card deck set with instructional guidebook. It's published by Animal Dreaming Publishing, which is an Australian publishing company. And I'm going to switch over cameras as per usual and go through all these cards and show you them up close and personal and have a look through the deck. I'm very excited to look through this, and let's go switch the cameras and have a look through these beautiful cards. Okay, so now we're going to go through, I didn't mean to rock the camera there. Now we're going to go through the cards of the Universal Prophecy cards by Julie Mackenzie. And published by Animal Dreaming Publishing. Okay, so we've got a lovely box, nice hard box. This is becoming more the norm now, which is pretty great. Oh my gosh. You can do it! I love that blue. Love that blue. You all know how I feel about writing on the back of cards. Okay, so there's no guidebook. But you do get some spreads. Oh, that's a prophecy layout. Golden Bridge layout. Single card draw, yearly layout. So instead of a guidebook, you're getting cards about it. Okay. There, everything's gilt edging, which is lovely. Okay. Universe, give your cares and worries. Universe, so you have obviously the meaning on the card too. Past. So I think this is a digital art legacy. They're beautiful images. Nature. I want to go hang in that tree. Colour. Abundance. Relationships. Purpose. Emotion. That's a gorgeous card. Love. Gratitude. Integrity. Fear. loss. I actually quite like them when they stick together. I like peeling them apart. Grief. Reflection. Courage. Hey look, it's Ragnar Lothbrok. No, it's not really, but kind of reminds me of him. There are worse things to have in your deck, right? Forgive. Union. Power. Serenity. Protect. Purify. Clarity. Journey. Free will. Illusion. It's all an illusion. Senses. Vision. Balance. Evolve. Dreams. Manifest. Meditate. Affirm. Great affirmation there. I am successful in all that I do. Yes. Mindful. Move. Music. Breathe. Heal. Wisdom. I think that's actually one of the only painted cards in the deck. Faith. Awaken. Align. Lead. Freedom. Paradise. Enchantment. Warrior. There's quite a lot of those warrior energies in this, and I'm not mad about that. I quite like the warrior archetype. Goddess, that's beautiful. Image. Guardians. Spirit. And infinity. and Golden Prophecy. So that's almost like a wild card because it's different. The Ultimate Yes card. So the card stock is nice. You know, it's standard in the decks that Animal Dreaming publishes. So it's good quality. Like as you saw, they did stick together, but that's because of the gilding. It's nice to peel them away anyway. I'll pop a link where you can get the deck below. And as always, thank you so much for watching.